Dear friends, today let us discuss about 30 stocks including Cipla, SBIN, BPCL, HPCL, Indian Bank, etc. Those have announced dividend, bonus or stock split. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Som Distilleries and Breweries. Share is trading around rupees 297. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 2:5. That means if you have 20 shares of Som Distilleries and Breweries, your 20 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 24th May 2024. Vardhaman Polytechs. Share is trading around rupees 95 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. State Bank of India SBIN share is trading around rupees 817. Company announced a dividend of rupees 13.7 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 22nd May 2024. To get the dividend of SBIN, you have to purchase the shares of SBIN before 22nd May 2024. Share India Securities Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1676. This company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Escorts Kubota Limited. Share is trading around rupees 3550 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Indian Bank. Share is trading around rupees 512. Company announced a dividend of rupees 12 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 7th June 2024. Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1002. This company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. Share is trading around rupees 502. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16.5 per share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Navin Fluorine International. Share is trading around rupees 3240. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28.15 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 5th July 2024. Again, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Hindpetro. Share is trading around rupees 503. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 2 shares of Hindustan Petroleum, you will get 1 share as bonus. So total you will have 3 shares. But the company has not yet decided on the record date. Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Share is trading around rupees 619. Company announced a dividend of rupees 21 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Abbott India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 26,375. This company announced a generous dividend of rupees 410 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Bank of Baroda. Current price is rupees 255. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7.6 per each share. Computer Age Management Services CAMS. Share is trading around rupees 3220. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16.5. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 8th July 2024. TVS Electronics Limited. Share is trading around rupees 311. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Nitin Spinners Limited. Current price is rupees 342. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per each share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Cipla Limited. Pharmaceutical company announced a dividend of rupees 13 per each share. Current market price of Cipla is 1340. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 2nd August 2024. Relaxo Footwears Limited. Current market price is rupees 842. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. Hikal Limited. Current market price is rupees 283. Company announced a dividend of 60 paise per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Kansai Nerolac Paints Limited. Share is trading around rupees 278. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.75 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 21st June 2024. Punjab National Bank PNB. Current market price is rupees 125 per each share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Bharat Petroleum Corporation BPCL. Share is trading around rupees 619. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Bharat Petroleum Corporation, you will get 10 more shares as bonus. So total you will have 20 shares. But the company has not yet decided on the record date. Stovec Industries. This company also announced a generous dividend of rupees 115 per share. Current market price is 2,856, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Asian Paints Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,770. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28.15 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 11th June 2024. Kenna Metal India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,600 per share. Announced a dividend of rupees 30 per each share, but the company has not yet finalized its record date or ex-date. Bajaj Finserv also announced a dividend of rupees 1 with a record date of 21st June 2024. While the current market price of Bajaj Finserv is 1,623. Coforge Limited. Share is trading around rupees 4,461. This company also announced a dividend of rupees 19 per each share with ex-date and record date as 15th May 2024. Supreme Industries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 5,275. Company announced a dividend of rupees 22 per each share with ex-date and record date as 21st June 2024. Infosys Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1,426. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 31st May 2024. Emphasis Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,236. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55 per each share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.